Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Lola. Let's just get right into it. So I'm going on a week-long trip to Bali and I want to pack light. So I want to just be able to pack a carry-on. I want to pack light, but I don't want to stress out over feeling limited. So I'm trying to build a little bit of like a capsule base to my wardrobe, which is what I'm showing you here. I will also be bringing some pieces that don't quite fit, a capsule, but that will be necessary for certain things like exercise or if I want to be dressed a little bit more conservatively, like going to the temples. Anyways, so here are the shoes. I'm starting off with my Nike Air Maxes, and I'm probably going to be traveling in them so that I don't have to bring them in the suitcase. It's good to bring a sneaker just in case you're going to be doing anything active like hiking or anything like that. Next are these flip-flops. They actually look super elegant. I was pleasantly surprised with them, and this is probably what I'll be wearing to the beach. Then as a dressy shoe, I decided to bring some small platform strappy gladiator sandals. I didn't want to bring heels just because from what I read online, heels aren't very practical for Bali. So I thought these were a happy medium between dressy and practical, and they won't take up too much room in my suitcase. And now I just wanted to demonstrate how the capsule wardrobe works. So for those who don't know, a capsule wardrobe is basically you have some pieces that all kind of work together, or I should say a limited number of pieces as far as tops and bottoms and accessories that all kind of work together and can be swapped out. This way you're able to create a wide range of outfits with a very limited number of clothes. And so right now I'm just showing all of the tops paired with the white skirt, and I love this white skirt. The outfits with this white skirt just really remind me of all of the outfits that I was looking at on Pinterest. Next up we have this kind of khaki cargo skirt. And here it is with the same top. It's a much different vibe, I think, much less innocent. This is a little bit more, I'm a jungle explorer, but I'm at a bar. I don't know. And then with this striped, short sleeve crop top, it kind of gets dressed down, especially if I were to wear the sneakers or the flip-flops with it. And of course, the little red tube top, how can we forget? Next, we've got these jean shorts. Jean shorts, I think, just look so relaxed, especially if you have a little, oversized button-up to throw over it. Again, just super casual, and I realized I was not showing any of the bags that I was going to bring. I'm going to bring 2 bags, so this is one of them. But yeah, I think the jean shorts will be great for a walk back from the beach too. Although I do definitely plan on buying a sarong when I get there. These long little parachute pants also look great when you just use them as like a bathing suit cover-up. They look great with a crop top, but what I really wanted to make sure that I had these for, and I'll probably travel in them, honestly, is I wanted a pair of long pants and also, a longer shirt, just in case I want to visit any of the temples where you need to be a little bit more covered up. But yeah, so I just wanted to show it initially with all of the cropped shirts and, maybe less conservative tops that I will be bringing. But then here it is with this Uniqlo long tank top that I plan on bringing. It's got a built-in bra, because let's be honest, who wants to wear bras on vacation? And for my conservative temple outfit, I will be pairing it with this, oversized button-up. And it's just good to have something, warm to wear in case you get cold. Definitely bring one kind of long sleeve thing to keep you warm just in case. Here it is with the bag, and I'll probably be traveling in this exact outfit. I thought this would be a cool transition, but I just look kind of silly and weird. Anyways, it doesn't fit the capsule really, but this is just my nice dress. I will not be beating the tag sticking out allegations ever. But yeah, I figured just in case I want to get dinner somewhere nice, then this would be a good option, and it's super stretchy and breathable too, so it works with this bag. I think it's great. And now for the bikinis. I won't spend too much time on these because a bikini is a bikini, but make sure you're bringing all of the hair stuff that you want, especially if you're going to go to the beach. This is what I'm going to be bringing. I feel like it's going to work really well with my hair when it's wet and curly. And do not forget your sunglasses. You do not want to be miserable at the beach or the pool when you first get there and then have to figure out where to buy them. I also highly recommend bringing a black or dark colored bikini just in case you know what happens. And then I also have got this one. Then of course you're going to want to bring your toiletries, and I really like this thing because it makes them nice and organized. So pretty much anything that I had that wasn't already travel sized, I put into a little travel size thing, and I color coded it with nail polish because some of the stuff I had is like similar in color, like my conditioner and my face wash. They're both kind of like white and creamy, so I color coded them with nail polish. And that, as far as makeup, I just kind of wanted to bring the bare essentials. So this is everything that I will need in kind of the most minimal way. This is mostly just my everyday makeup, and then if I want something more dramatic, I can just smoke out some liner. And now the moment of truth, let's see if it fits, and it does. And I also decided to bring a little yoga set just in case like I do yoga for some reason or something more athletic. And then of course we need a beach towel. And then even after all of the underwear and stuff, it's zipped, so everything fit. And then whatever doesn't fit, I will put into this backpack that I'm also going to be bringing along with me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. That is it. Please like and subscribe. Love you. Bye.